Hi, today we're going to be doing some testing of magnetic putty as well as crystal clear putty. We'll start out with the magnetic putty first. Now inside the container it looks empty, but it's actually not. So let me try to scoop this out here. The magnetic putty is made of small, very small magnetic parts. And the reason it flattened itself out and looked invisible inside the container is because it's a metal container. Now if you take some magnets and stick them to the putty. Actually, you don't even have to stick it to the putty. I mean, it gets so close and the putty just leaps up and grabs the magnet. So, now I don't know if it's, of course it won't stick to that, but it will, if you put it in there without a package, it will flatten out in the container itself. I'm going to flatten the putty, and I'm going to place the magnets onto the putty itself. Now while that's sitting there, we're going to take a look at Crystal Clear Putty. It has also flattened itself out. The container looks empty, but it's not. I'll take this out. Now Crystal Clear Putty, of course, is going to be crystal clear. You can stretch it. It's kind of like glass. You can wrap it. You can form it into a ball. But I don't know if it'll bounce. I mean, you can make a ball out of it. Let's see if it'll bounce. Oh, wow. It's like a super bouncing ball. So that's pretty cool. Crystal clear putty will bounce like a super bouncing ball. Now if I make it into a disc shape, I could probably even use it as a frisbee. You know, just toss it. But I don't know. Let me see if I can do that. Try it as a frisbee. All right, cool. So those are just a few things you can do with it. Like I said, you can tear it in half. You can make a ball out of it. You know, no matter what you do to it, it's still going to retain its rubberiness. So now let's take a look at the magnetic putty. Now, it's been sitting on there for a few minutes, but you can see that the putty is literally trying to slowly but surely eat the entire magnet. Now if I let this sit for several more minutes, maybe an hour, the entire magnet would be enclosed and engulfed by the putty. So that's pretty cool. I mean, it takes a long time, slow process, but eventually this all will wrap around the magnets. So, magnetic putty, and crystal clear putty, two very awesome science ideas for kids, and maybe something fun to get for their Easter baskets this Easter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.